We're going to see which one's fast. Freehand ripping logs in half, or ripping them in half with a chainsaw mill. Now either way, we're going to be running the same chain, same saw. The only thing different between the two is whether it has a mill on it, or whether I'm the mill. This is not a how-to freehand mill video. There are other people out there on the internet who have done this for hundreds and hundreds of hours that we watched to get the information of how to for us. Please go to them and learn that part of it. The part we wanted to learn was comparing these two techniques and methods.
Wow!
It's clean.
That's actually worth cutting apart. So now we're going to switch out to the mill and see how quickly that goes. If I remember right, not that quick.
We call it the mill like it's a completely different machine.
Alright, let's see how this does. Please turn on, please turn on, please turn on.
Hey, we just wanted to jump in here and tell you about our limited situation here. If you look at the chainsaw mill itself, the rails there, they are sticking out quite a ways past our little tiny bar. If you had a longer bar and a more powerful chainsaw, you might end up with a different result.
That took a lot more effort. Concentrating on not bogging down the saw, yet also making decent time is a little difficult.
These two tools are meant for two different jobs. That's for making a slab. The other setup, I should say.
I'll make a slab with this.
No.
Yeah, watch me.
With just...
Watch this. Yeah.
Okay.
I think this is faster even making a slab.
Really?
Now, it might help if you had a bigger saw or a bigger bar and get a little bit more of an angle at it. Might help, but let's slab off one.
Yeah,
Slab off the other side of this log. That way it'll be the same exact amount of wood.
Yeah.
I bet I burned through more gas even. I'm almost scared. I think this is going to be pretty ugly.
Project Farm would be mad. No, you need to switch out the chains. Make sure they're micrometrically exact or whatever.
Not as accurate as the other one. Yeah, it's a little bit off, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it's going to warp that much too. So, did I just double my problem?
I would say for longer logs, I'd use that thing, but
yeah,
for sure.
But I think the chain also stays sharper cutting it this way.
Why'd we buy that thing again?
Because it was cheap. It might help if I sharpen the saw too.
Yeah, it just might.
I might actually cut straighter if I sharpen the saw. Let's sharpen the saw.
Go ahead.
That was fast.
Did we really need to make this one look faster?
No, I sharpened the chain.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying is... it was already fast, and we're trying to make
Actually,
it look.
I did a better job. This log is straighter.
It's got a bunch of things.
It's got some wayos in it, but as far as straightness, this is better. So honestly, as far as quality, just straight off the saw, neither one is impressive. And a bandsaw mill would probably beat both of these, but they're pretty close. This is definitely more consistent.
Yeah,
But this
not as jagged.
isn't bad. That's a heavy piece of wood.
Yeah.
All right, we didn't stop there. We kept going. We went into the forest and found a maple tree that had been damaged by squirrels or something that pulled all the bark off of it. It was kind of sad to see it go, but we decided to turn it into something that we could use. So we cut it in half using freehand, and then we cut the slabs out using the chainsaw mill. There's different purposes for each of these. We found that we will probably use both of them at different times. Whatever the case, get out there into the woods and have a good time with your family.
Bloopers and outtakes
Alright.
at the end here.
Sorry.
Sorry. You know, Larry Boy vocal over here because my dad sounds like he's. Never mind.
Take two. Ow, that's cold. Blooper.
Your little, yeah. The otter there. That seal.
Or.
Go.